Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have cellular data and decent signal because the hotspot uses your plan. Once done, plug in or keep battery healthy to avoid interruptions. Now open settings and go to network and internet or connections. This is where tethering lives. Tap the hotspot or mobile hotspot option to begin the setup process. You're now at the first actionable screen where you'll configure name and password. Proceed to the next slide to handle security and device connections. Now configure the hotspot. Enter a recognizable SSID so you can find it quickly on other devices. Make sure to choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security and type a strong password. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your data. If available, pick 5 GHz for faster speeds close by or 4 GHz for longer range. Also set a device limit to conserve bandwidth. Once these settings are saved, toggle the hotspot on and watch for connected devices in the status area. With the hotspot active, open Wi-Fi on the device you want to connect, select the SSID, and enter the password. You should gain internet access immediately. If connectivity fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart both devices and confirm your mobile data is enabled and not exhausted. If problems persist, try USB or Bluetooth tethering for a more stable link, and make sure carrier tethering restrictions are not blocking the connection. Contact your carrier as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.